How to remove one of your profiles on Amazon.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove one of your profiles on Amazon fast and easy. So first thing, go to Amazon, and now right here go to the top and click on account, and now you will find many options right here. Choose your profiles, click on it and choose the profile that you want to delete. For example, I'm gonna delete the Mark profile, and go down, you will find remove this profile. Click on it like this and click remove profile. Now the profile is removed successfully, easy and fast, in less than 1 minute. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.